Meet John. He loves yoga. He loves watching the little butterflies soaring through the garden. He loves meditating. And especially masturbating. He also loves to skip to his loo every Sunday morning, smelling the beautiful flowers. Go. Okay, hold on. John, stop really quick. I paused it.
Why?
Because, hold on. Okay, now I have to make him. How am I going to make it look like I hit you? Kick you? Okay. Oh my god, there's...
Oh my god.
I would be so embarrassed if I... He's right there now. Oh my god, I probably know them too.
Who cares?
And I'd be like, quick, I was about to do it.
You
Quick,
You got Vaseline all over your dead hand.
I do. Oh. Fuckers. Kidding. Okay, come on, they're gone.
Oh god.
Oh, shit.
A temple. Okay. Go.
Okay. Okay, go. Oh! Stop crying, you little bitch.
Mommy, you made me ink.
Oh, I stopped it.